Ugly right here. I ain't gonna lie to you. So my next question would be, what up, world? It's your boy Ed, aka the Toe Goat, man, and y'all see what's going on. We back with another video. Been a light morning. Was chilling, going over some other videos when I got a call from one of my peoples saying that the ball joint had broke. So I'm about to head out here and try to tow his car. I think I might need a flatbed for this particular vehicle. The flatbed wasn't available because it was out doing some other runs. So I was like, I'm gonna go out here and see what I'm working with. Because I think he got like a lot of aftermarket parts set up on the truck. So sometimes, like when you be like with certain like trucks, like it was like a Silverado 1500, something like that, like the standard, you know what I'm saying, model with all the regular stuff on it, it'd be pretty easy to tow. But like when you're dealing with trucks with aftermarket stuff and all of a sudden suspensions lifted and the wheels on it a little bit wider, sometimes it make it a lot harder to tow these vehicles, you know. I know you could probably just pull up on a flatbed, you feel me? That's why I wish I had the flatbed available. But hey, gotta see what we working with, man. Maybe we can still get the job done, but if not, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be a waiting game until, you know what I'm saying, the flatbed come available. So, but we'll see, man. But y'all already know what's going on. I ain't gonna hold y'all. You about to get active in a minute. So, like I always say around this time, y'all stick around.
Wake up and lace up my sneakers, I'm always dressed to kill. Each time I speak, I'm at peak to bring me some extra ears. Feel it in my soul, in my sleep, I breathe till the winds get sealed. Don't go while the rest sit still, beast mode on a run all year. Work till the funds all here, can't stop till the path all clear. Slim run a sweatshop and a pet shop, cause the dogs all here. Even in the dark I appear, shine through the fall for a lift. This a headlight to a deal, they freeze, none of y'all I feel. Years I've been dedicated, no stairs, I done elevated. 2-4 with the hesitation, they faked, I went up and made it. Cody, this gon' make a statement on him and ain't no debating. I see no signs of defeat while I'm on this road to greatness.
Damn, really Keezy? Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Wow. It's ugly right here. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's ugly. And then by it sitting up.
What's up, man? No, guess what? I'm out and
That'd be the ugly part, man, about
and this the third day. Now I told him, I said, give me whatever, you know what I'm saying, do my whole front work.
what's happening, baby? Oh no, you already know.
Now watch it, it's on the hill. It's on the hill too now.
Yeah, but it's in park though.
Yeah.
The back tires ain't gonna roll. What stuff y'all got just sitting around? Don't teach on my shit, man.
Nah,
Listen, bro, when I be pulling up, I ain't gonna lie to you, though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody gotta learn from somewhere.
right.
But when I be pulling up to like certain spots, like oil change spots, and I be seeing these young people in here, man,
Right.
I be like, man, I hope y'all got these boys well trained, bro. Like, and not just, you know what I'm saying?
I ain't gonna lie to you. One of them I went to over there, what is it? Lakeshore.
Yeah.
And, I pulled up in there. He forgot to put the oil in there.
The main thing.
Hey, wait a minute. I was in my car.
We need like a log, man. We need like a log or something. Ah. So I never seen something like this happen, right? So not only did the like when it broke, but when it broke, it actually, like, I've never seen a tire like come back on the ball joint. That's weird. It's there you go. It was sitting on the ball joint. I'm like, how? So my next question would be, and I know you probably ain't got it in the truck, the rim lock key. Yeah, it's in there. I need it. Now it's just a matter of trying to keep this damn tire in place. There we go. Yeah. Hit my hands. Come on out, baby. Come on to me. The damn rotor's still connected to everything, so that's all the weight that's in the back. You know what I'm saying? Dragging down. Woo. All right. Just watch your fingers because
right.
that's gonna have to come down. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Because that's where all the weight at. That's why it's so hard to pull off. Reach your way.
Bring that come to the top.
Okay, come to the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We going this way?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Woo! Shit. See the worst thing about having a ball joint brake is when you go to tow it, right? If the wheel's still on and they pulling it up on a truck, mind you, the wheel's still gonna spin. Right. So the wheel is gonna push against this. Right. And like this ain't really too damaged right here, so you don't want to damage it more. Like, you feel me? That's why a lot of times, you know what I'm saying, when they pull up. Dang. That baby was hanging on by, it wasn't even hanging on. It was ready to go. All right, so now what we got to do is I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That kind of whooped me a little bit, just a little bit. Kind of whooped me a little bit. Not much though, just whooped me a little bit, that's it. All right, so hold that right there, Rico. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift up on yours, just pull that towards you.
Okay.
Ready?
Right.
1, 2, 3. A little bit more. Let me get a little.
Straight up, yeah.
So 1, 2, 3. All right, cool, right there.
Right there?
Yeah, yup, so now. Okay. That way that just don't be hanging too much. All right, we cool.
Oh, you gonna put the tire back on it?
No, hell
Oh,
no.
okay.
Cause you don't want this just hanging everywhere and pulling on everything.
Right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
So you can't get past.
Hey, you'll be surprised. So, explain it to the viewers and future tow man. So listen, when you come into a situation like this, right, and tire came off or whatever, the and ball joint broke. So what your goal is, when you about to hook the vehicle, you want you want the tire over here to hang off just a little bit so you can strap, because like once you strap that side, man, that side is on there. You're gonna strap that side and you're gonna chain this side right here. That way the vehicle don't move, or you know what I'm saying, ain't able to, like while you driving down the street, you know what I'm saying, reposition itself, you know what I'm saying? So always make sure you got enough room on that side so once you start lifting the vehicle, you can strap that side, you know what I'm saying, then you're gonna chain this side though. And the reason why you're gonna chain this side is because, like I said, ain't no tire on this side. The vehicle not gonna go nowhere with them chains, period. So just, I'm trying to teach y'all a little bit, that's it. It's hitting the jack. Dang, it's 10 times stronger.
Oh!
And the only reason you got a dolly is because, like, even though this rear wheel drive, and you can throw it in neutral and it'll roll,
Right.
you don't want to do that because we not going no short distance. If we was going from here around the corner, it'd been cool. But when you going like long distance, you don't never want to put your car in neutral because it's still the drivetrain is still connected, so it's still turning the transfer case, and that bitch heating up and it'll damage all that shit, man.
Okay. Learn something new every day.
Yeah, man. I tell people all the time, never just pick your car up and just tow it in neutral, man. Like I said, if you only going like a block or two, it's cool. But if you towing it like a mile or something like that, it'll mess it up for sure.
I don't need
Gotta watch out for drivers like that. They'll clip your ass cheeks. You talking about babe? Would you still love me without no cheeks? You still love a cheekless man? Woo! Woo! Woosah. We almost done. Y'all got these lights and we out. I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. I done had a whole bunch of light bars, right? In my life and time. These lights right here, they the truth, man. And they way cheaper. I got them off Amazon. They way cheaper than the other lights, man. And I like them because they actually got like the daytime, like you turn the lights on, they come on, you know what I'm saying, for the tail lights. And then they also got brake lights and reverse lights also. So they the total package. All right, so now this is really the moment of truth, y'all, with this heavy ass truck. We riding her. Yeah, we to the moon with this one. All right, y'all. So, huh?
On the board?
Yeah, y'all.
You can just go straight back, drop it right there. A lot
Okay.
easier for me. Because I put it in this corner.
Yeah, no pipe.
In my way,
Okay.
tie me up.
Cool.
But the gate's all the way open over there, just straight back.
Okay, I got you, bro.
Like a Subaru.
Okay, I got you.
All right.
All right.
Staying here.
No, yeah, he here, yeah. Oh, there, you gotta drop him off. Damn. Hey, take my phone right here. Yeah, hey, tell him I need a jack stand.
No, he wants you to put it over here.
He said in front of this.
Did he change?
Yeah, no, he said he changed. He said he wanted in front of the Subaru over here.
Okay. Oh, let me see.
There you have it, folks. Took a little bit of work, but we got the job done, though. Don't ask me where I got this brick from either. So, folks, don't need a flatbed for everything. See, got the vehicle here without doing more damage to the vehicle, so that's a good thing. That'd be the main thing that I'd be concerned about. Like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and I try to think my way through the whole process because I be trying to get the vehicle from one point to the other point because it's already got damage. You know what I'm saying? But we try not to cause more damage to the vehicle. So, as you can see, we got the vehicle here. Job well done. Job well done.
Done, sexy?
Oh yeah.
You got your lights?
Oh no, I don't.
Your lights,
Okay.
and you got your jacket.
See, listen, What would I do? What would I do without you?
You're just talking about the lights.
Right, though, man. Just talking about these lights. I already gave them away. Now we done, y'all. We done now.